Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jacobs. Today, I'm excited to share with you 6 powerful foods that naturally lower blood pressure backed by science. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it usually has no symptoms but dramatically increases your risk of heart disease and stroke. But don't worry, you can lower your blood pressure naturally without medications. Let's dive right in. Number 1, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These greens are loaded with nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Studies show that eating nitrate-rich vegetables can lower systolic blood pressure by 3 to 6 degrees, a significant drop for heart health. Try adding these greens to smoothies, salads, or sauteing them with garlic and olive oil for a heart-healthy boost. 2. Beets. Beets are another high nitrate food that has been shown to significantly reduce blood pressure. One study found that drinking 1 glass of beet juice daily lowered systolic blood pressure by up to 5 degrees in just a few hours. If you're not a fan of beet juice, try roasting beets and adding them to salads or blending them into a smoothie. Number 3, garlic. Garlic isn't just great for adding flavor, it's a powerful natural medicine. It contains allicin, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Studies show that garlic supplements can lower blood pressure by 5 to 10 degrees, comparable to some prescription medications. For maximum benefits, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before eating. This activates its powerful compounds. 4. Hibiscus tea is next on our list. Hibiscus tea isn't just refreshing, it's a natural blood pressure reducer. Studies show that drinking hibiscus tea daily can lower systolic blood pressure by 7 degrees or more in people with mild hypertension. Try drinking 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily for the best results. Let's not forget flax seeds. 5. Flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, which help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Research shows that consuming 30 grams, about 2 tablespoons, of flax seeds daily can lower systolic blood pressure by 10 degrees. Add flax seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a simple and effective way to support heart health. 6. Dark chocolate can actually help lower blood pressure. The flavonoids in cocoa relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Just make sure to choose 85% cacao or higher to get the most benefits without added sugar. A little dark chocolate each day can go a long way for heart health. High blood pressure doesn't have to control your life. By adding these natural foods and herbs to your diet, you can significantly lower your blood pressure and improve your overall heart health. If you're looking for a complete science-backed plan to reduce inflammation and improve your health, my book, Eat to Heal, dives deep into the ASTR diet, a natural way to heal through food. Click the link below to grab your copy today.